What up, nerds? It's me, your buddy, your pal, HeyArcher. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, down below are links to HeyArcher.com, where you can find everything that I offer here. Pictures, podcasts, tutorials, the whole 9 yards. And you're probably wondering, A, what's with the different setup, different camera angle? B, what's up with the gold chain? Didn't know you were balling like that, Archer. And that was cheesy. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. A lot of you are working from home now, as myself, and we had a costume type contest at work. I put on the gold chain today. I was just feeling it, so I left the gold chain on for this unboxing, which is actually going to be a little bit different of an unboxing for you. Don't forget, if you want to see more unboxings, I had a whole playlist up above. They can check those out. And the reason that this is so exciting is these are actually all items I bought from friends of the channel, friends in my real life, because as I mentioned in numerous videos at this point, if you know anybody who is a creative, an artist, somebody who creates their own content at home, goes on tours, conventions, all of that's shut down. So one of the things I wanted to do personally was, since I'm fortunate enough to still have my job, is I want to give a little bit extra to my friends. And for some of them, I apologize. I have not purchased your things in the past. Some I have, some you might recognize. So I just wanted to, that's my goal going forward, even beyond this coronavirus thing. And I hope that you do the same. So for everything that I showed today, you'll have links down below in the bio so you can pick up your own. I don't want to ruin any of these surprises. I've seen some of them online, just not in person. So let's just roll this thing right out. Smallest package first. We have, oh, it's my beads from Jewels for Hope. Love it. All right, there's other stuff in the package too. Let's see what we got. Whoa, there's more stuff. And more stuff. Wow, that's way more than I ordered. All right, let's start with this first, because I don't know what this is. It says, relax, Jewels for Hope. And then on the back, I don't know if you guys can see, I've never done an unboxing like this. But on the back, it says, I will breathe, I will relax, I will be okay. Close your eyes and make a wish as you tie this bracelet on your wrist. I like that. When you string, phrase, or breaks in two, legend says your wish will come true. Spread hope, Jewels for Hope. That's pretty dope. All right, let's open it up. Let's see. This relax. Oh, there's even a little card in there. Put a few drops of your favorite essential oil on the lava stones and let it dry as an effort to affect mood and help relieve stress. Breathe in deep and relax. Jewels for Hope donates 10% of profits for every sale to charity. Created by mother-daughter duo Sandy and Stevie, these charity creations make everyone look good, do good, and feel good. That's dope. I like that. So here's the bracelet thing. So I guess I untie it. I don't know. People at home are probably laughing if this is something that you do that I just don't know how to do. We'll just do a basic knot for now. It's dope. I love that concept. I love that whole thing. All right, let's open up this other thing here. First off, we have a bottle opener. I don't know how this works with the camera. I've never tried it. It says BAM on it. And you can always use a new bottle opener. So thank you for that. I did not expect that one. And kaboom. It's actually a money clip. I like that you guys assume I have money. That's great. Projecting positivity. I like that. Put that there. And then we have here in this nice little baggie. This is one of those I'll put a picture and a link because I always forget. It's like a drawstring, not drawstring. I can't think of the name. Let me look it up. Paracord, that's what it is. This is the black paracord bracelet. Boy, I'm gonna have a whole lot of bling on today. I may have gotten a size too small. I guess my wrist was bigger than I thought. But I like it nonetheless. Let's go for the last thing here. Earthy brown stone bracelets. Probably blends into my skin, so I'm not sure if you can see that properly. Let's throw that one on. Go on the other wrist. I like this one a lot, actually. I like how simple it is, and it also, I don't know, just the way that it kind of matches with my skin, I kind of like. All right, so we got lots of fun things here from Jewels for Hope. Again, 10% of the proceeds go to charity. Love the drawstring. Boy, my wrist is all blinged out today. I'm loving it. And of course, I got the money clip and the bottle opener. It's funny, aside from a wine bottle opener, I don't have like a dedicated bottle opener. So I appreciate that. Next up, let's go for the pink bag, which I already think I know what it is. Boom. Love it. And there's a note. Whoa, what else is in here? Is that a sticker? It is a sticker. I love stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. From my good friend, Faith in the Glitch. Now, I'll put these here. Because then I'll just show you the shirt. So yeah, Faith in the Glitch. I used to use his outro mixes for all my videos. So for those of you who are old school HeyArcher fans, that was his music. He DJs on Twitch every week. He's actually been doing a lot, almost daily, DJ sessions now on Twitch. And I love the mixes. He's introduced me to synthwave, retrowave, chip tunes. There's all sorts of like cool music genres that I just didn't know about that exist and have a huge scene. And some of that kind of music you'll hear in like The Weeknd's new music. You hear it in Drive. That was probably the first movie to really like blow up that like retrowave thing. So I've always been a huge fan. That's empty. Oops. Another sticker. I love stickers. Anybody watching, if you want me to ever show your stuff, shoot me some stickers. Hey Archer, not too long ago I drove past a papaya dog and suddenly got real nostalgic for our time at the Four-Faced Liar. Also, if you go to Facebook, the Four-Faced Liar is doing a GoFundMe for all the workers there. My favorite bar all time in New York. It's not even one of those where it's a bar anymore. It's more like a family. So I'll post a link down below as well for their GoFundMe. Thanks so much for all your support over the years and for believing in me. Proud of your YouTube work too. Keep up that good nerd content. Love, Faith in the Glitch. And it's handwritten. Very underrated. I don't really handwrite anything these days. But for some reason, even though I don't handwrite things, I'm a sucker for a handwritten letter. So thank you, Faith in the Glitch. We'll put that there for now. And dope. So that's a shirt from Faith in the Glitch's first album that he released. Make sure that you go to the links down below. Look up Faith in the Glitch on Twitch. He's actually streaming right now as I make this video. I was actually watching it beforehand. So for those of you who want to listen to some dope music, check out Faith in the Glitch. If you need a DJ for some dope music, check out Faith in the Glitch for sure. Awesome. All right, we're just throwing all the plastic on the floor. Again, sorry if this thing is buzzing on you guys. I can't tell. All right, final thing. Now, there's actually more things on their way in the mail. So I'll just do a separate video for the other things I unbox. But I had these things just sitting around, and I didn't want to not open them. I actually wanted to open them, so that's where I was like, I have to do an unboxing. Ooh, I know that logo. Before I even open this, because I know what it is. So my good pal here, I met at Comic-Con. I don't even remember which one. It probably was in Boston. And I loved the mix of movies with comic book culture, as far as, you know, the John Wick photo that replicates or is a homage to Akira, or Friends, but instead of the cast of Friends, it's like the Justice League, all of that. And Bun has continued to make dope work. I bought lots of his work. I've commissioned work before, but most importantly, that logo is made by him. And I'm forever grateful for the work that he's done. By the way, if you made it this far and have not subscribed yet to my channel, I don't know what you're doing. I thought I could trust you. Oh man, so excited. Dude, I originally wanted this laptop that I've been doing everything on to stay clean and mint. But with all the stickers I've been getting, that's going to change real fast. So, Bun, at the time of me shooting this video, has a 6 sale going on his website for all the stickers that he makes. Oh, this is great. This is great. Actually, there's the man right there. He's a little bit taller in real life. So, these might be kind of hard to see. So, of course, I'll have a picture probably over here somewhere of all of these wonderful stickers. Got my Power Ranger ones. I got my Static Shock Cyborg characters I talked about the other day in my diversity video. You should watch those. And, of course, Baby Yoda for the win. This is awesome. But I just had to get this. Social distancing champ since 1938, Wednesday Addams. Love it. Love it. I don't even know if my computer has so much space to have all these stickers on there. I'm going to try my best. Best believe that. This here. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Ooh, by hand as well. That's why this dude's so awesome. There it is. Love it. Absolutely love it. Because it's one of those where, you know, it's actually in the realm of the synthwave kind of movement going on, where I just love the retro look of things. And all he did, which I love, is he took my design that he made and just made it 80s. You know, the glasses, very Back to the Futurist, the shine on it. And he signed it at the bottom. So, there you go. Bun currently will be making, his commissions are open, so if you want your own image as well, he can do that for you, but this one's going up on the wall for sure. Can't wait. Man, I just love that. Especially now that I'm trying to grow in the beard. It's just so much more relevant. All great finds. I'm super excited to have all of these. I can't wait for the other stuff to come in that I've ordered. And for all of you, if you liked any of these, links will be down below. If you have friends that are selling things, promoting things, you should be sharing that stuff on your social media. You don't need a YouTube channel to... You don't need a big presence online in order to just be proud of your friends and what they do. So for all of these things here, links will be down below if you want to pick up your own. Tell them that I sent you. But again, just in these awkward times, make sure that you're just supporting your friends, your pals, because there's lots of creative people out there doing dope shit that just sometimes you just need to recognize them, and they're right there under your nose. You don't even know it. So I'm excited for all of these. I can't wait to share this video, to share all these pictures, and of course, like, comment, and subscribe. More unboxings, more reviews, more HeyArcher coming out. But I will see all of you nerds in the next video, maybe with a gold chain, not sure. Peace.